Hey everyone, it's Phil here and you're watching STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I am currently at Robertson on the Unanderra-Mossvale line. It is a very windy day today, so sorry if the wind is getting in the way of the audio. There's not too much I can do about it. There will be one train featured in this video. There is an 81 class or 2 or 3 hauling something from Bomaderry to Cootamundra, which should be passing through here in about 20 minutes time. Alright, so I just checked, we have some 81 classes hauling something from this way and we'll be going into the loop, and there'll actually be 2 trains featured in this video. There's more 81 classes hauling something that will come through this track here. Okay, the boom gates are down and I can hear something approaching. They have to slow down as they cross over into the loop. Alright, so they're just in the loop now. They're going to wait for another freight train that'll be passing going that way before they go. Again, I'm sorry about the wind. It is a pain. Alright, and we have the other one about to pass now. Alrighty peoples, I'm going to wrap this up. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, favourite the video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.